Pea Ridge Agriculture Power, Structural, and Technical Systems pathway offers courses including Introduction to Agriculture, Ag Mechanics and Fabrication, Ag Metals, Ag Structures, as well as opportunities for career practicums and internships in this field of study, or the opportunity to earn concurrent welding credit through attending the Northwest Technical Institute at no cost to the student.
I chose welding because I plan on entering a trade school after high school.
Students have the opportunity to earn industry certifications such as NCCER Core, as well as the chance to join the National FFA organization. Potential career paths include agricultural engineering, diesel technician, land surveyor, farm equipment technician, contractor or builder, or welder. Students who complete 3 credits within the program guidelines will be identified as completers, recognized at an honors ceremony, and will receive a medal to wear at graduation.